here are some tips on cooking spaghetti. First of all, get a kettle to start you off. You don't want to wait for a pan to come to the boil. So using water from a boiled kettle, fill a pan as about 2/3 or 3/4 of the way full. You want to have plenty of water in there so that it can easily cover the spaghetti when it's cooking. If you don't, things get all stodgy. The next thing is to add plenty of salt. I know salt can sometimes be seen as a bad thing, but don't worry, most of it washes away, but it makes a big difference to the taste of your spaghetti. Measure out your spaghetti. So we recommend about the size of a 20p piece per person. Get what you need, and then here's a little trick. Put it vertically in the pan, give it a twist around the middle, and then just let it go. The next couple of minutes are key, so make sure that you press the pasta down as it starts to cook. Otherwise you're going to start to have bits sticking out for ages that aren't cooking, and that won't be great. The next thing is stir things to make sure that things aren't sticking. Again, you don't need to do this too often, but just make sure that you haven't got large clumps of spaghetti sticking to each other. Then, after 8 minutes or so, test a piece. Just lift it out, let it drain, let it cool down, you don't want to burn yourself, and then just try it. If it's still a little bit firm, leave it for another minute, but things will start to cook very quickly, so do keep testing. The next thing, once it's exactly how you want it cooked, is to drain it straight away. So again, have a colander ready in your sink and take the pan over to that sink, pour away from you, give your colander a nice little shake, put your colander back on the top of your pan. Don't put the pasta back in the pan because the pan will be way too hot and it will start to kind of keep cooking it. A little tip, if things start to get a little bit clumped together, is you can pour boiling water over your pasta and that will loosen things up. But generally you want to serve things straight away. Don't leave it in the pan for ages, otherwise it will just keep cooking and be all stodgy and no one wants that. So serve it straight away and enjoy. Don't forget there are plenty of tips like this throughout our book. All you need to do is find the tip that you want, get your phone, give it a scan, and that will take you right to where you need to go, or simply follow us for more tips just like this. Enjoy.